I am currently watching Superman and Lois on HBO, and it's been a really fun series to watch. I don't normally like Superman-focused TV series because he feels like too much of an overpowered character. So that got me thinking, how should one handle overpowered characters, and what makes Superman and Lois work while Captain Marvel failed? The shows that I'm going to look at for the purpose of this analysis is Captain Marvel, Wonder Woman, and Superman and Lois. I'm going to try not to be overly spoilery, but if you want to avoid spoilers completely, this is not the video for you. Captain Marvel is a great example of an overpowered character done wrong. The primary problem is that there is no character development. Captain Marvel doesn't develop at all through the movies. She starts out an impulsive emotional person, remains an impulsive emotional person, and beats the end boss as an impulsive emotional person. Literally, there's no change. Contrast that with Wonder Woman, where Wonder Woman, or Diana, starts out as a naive girl who knows very little about herself and the world, and at the end is a strong hero capable of facing the horrors of war. Being overpowered doesn't mean you get to skip out on character development. As long as your character develops, the overpoweredness will be fine. Sometimes the story is not actually about the overpowered character. Superman and Lois really works because one of the core elements of the show is the teenage boys of Superman and Lois, and those two boys are not overpowered. And that brings me to themes still matter no matter how overpowered the character is. Captain Marvel's theme was, I don't know, emotions are better than logic, I guess. Wonder Woman's theme, before they chickened out of it, was that humans don't need a god to go to war. They're plenty bad enough by themselves. Superman and Lois's core theme is the needs of the family versus the needs of the society. So if your theme is strong enough to carry your story, there is no problem with your character being overpowered. Finally, plot tension still needs to be established. If you're overpowered, there should be a weakness to exploit. And this is why Captain Marvel sucked. There was no plot tension. There was no doubt that she would be fine and win in the end. So if you have an overpowered character, don't let that stress you out. Just make sure you have character development, a powerful theme, and plot tension, and you'll be fine. If you would like to support me, please do hit my Ko-fi page or buy my book. And I will see you soon for another episode of Just in Time World.